Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Sir, we have an orc problem crashing on Steam. If orc keeps crashing when you try to launch or play it, don't worry. We're going to go through a few simple solutions that can help get the game running again. Let's get straight into it. First, open Steam and go to your library. Find orc, right-click on the game and select Properties. Under the General section, look for Launch Options. Enter -DX11. This will force the game to use DirectX 11, which can help if the default graphics mode is causing the crashes. Next, go to Installed Files and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now check the installation for missing or corrupted files. Let the process finish completely before moving on. Once the verification is complete, close Steam. Next, install the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables. Open your browser and go to the official Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable download page. Download and install both the x86 and x64 versions. Even on a 64-bit Windows system, some games may require the 32-bit components. Follow the installation instructions for both versions. Once they're installed, restart your computer. Once Windows starts again, the next thing you should check is your graphics driver. If you're using an NVIDIA graphics card, open the NVIDIA app and go to the Drivers section. Check for updates and install the latest available driver. If you're using an AMD graphics card, open AMD software and check for the latest driver there. Updating your GPU driver is important because an outdated or corrupted driver can sometimes cause games to crash. Once the installation is finished, restart your computer again if you're prompted. Finally, run Steam as administrator. Right-click the Steam shortcut and select Run as Administrator. Once Steam opens, go back to your library and launch Orc. Hopefully, the game should now start without crashing. So, here's a quick recap. Add -DX11 to the launch options, verify the game files, install both Visual C++ x86 and x64, update your graphics driver, and then run Steam as administrator. If the game is still crashing after all of that, make sure Windows and the game itself are fully updated. And that's it. Hopefully this helped you get Orc running again. If this video helped, leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.